Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. Surprise! I actually have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. It's really not that big. As I've mentioned before, I'm gonna kind of slow down on my Dollar Tree hauls. I only really go there now to grab things that I need around the house, and then hopefully scout out cute socks, because y'all know I love the cutesy socks. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of my future videos. Thumbs up, likes, always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So, like I said, this really is not a big haul. I went to get some items for laundry. Y'all know, or those who've been around a while know, there are items at the Dollar Tree I like to add to my daily laundry routine, and I'm going to share that in a minute. But they didn't have a lot. They had these little trays, and I'm going to use these in some of the IKEA drawers to kind of help organize and like just grab stuff out of the drawer, you know, like that. And so I got the green and the orange. They didn't have any of the blue, and there was another color, but they didn't have these either in that color. So I just, I think I grabbed I grabbed a total of 10, 4 orange and 6 green. There weren't any more orange, or I would have gotten 6 of those as well. But I find these really help in keeping the drawers organized. And again, like I can pull out a grouping of things at the same time. So there's that. Oh, sorry. Now, the laundry goodies. Some of y'all know. I love OxyClean. Sorry. And I actually add the LA's Totally Awesome Oxygen Orange. These guys here, I add these to my OxyClean just because, you know, it kind of helps it go a little further. And it does, and this stuff does work. And if, you know, they're out of OxyClean, this works just as well. And, you know, it's $1. So I actually got 6 of these this go around. I've already put the others in my jar because I keep giant apothecary jars on my washer and dryer. It looks, you know, that way I can fill them up, throw these away, and it looks cute on, you know, the top of my washer and dryer. So there's that. Then I got 2 of each of these. I'm only pulling up one though. They're laundry boosters. These smell wonderful. And I add these to these are the ones that I buy at the store. These are the ones I'm always talking about. The Arm & Hammer Clean Sensations. I get the Fresh Burst and the Maui Sunset. And again, I have really large apothecary jars that I dump these in, and I have a spatula in my laundry room that is dedicated to the laundry room, and I use it to mix these up and these. And I want to give a little hint. I did have a friend who tried it out. She said for some reason it left spots on her clothes. I've never had that problem. You know, I don't know if it makes a difference of the type of washer. We have front load washer and dryer. And before I put my laundry in, and I did the same thing when I had the top loaders, I always put my boosters in first, down at the bottom of the barrel. And I find, you know, it dissolves easy. I never have stains on my clothes. So I don't know if it was the type of washer. Again, I don't know. But you would think, okay, gross, you're mixing scents. But honestly, the 4 of these these are heaven in themselves. If you don't have access to these, you know, you're like out of town, vacation, And because I do that when we do that often when we travel. I make sure that the hotel has a laundry room, and I run to the Dollar Tree and I grab laundry aids there. It is so much cheaper, and also when I go cruising, I actually will take these in my suitcase. I also get the Tide, or actually I prefer Gain. I get the Gain laundry pods. I take these and I get a Ziploc baggie and throw the pods and the dryer sheets in. And I just don't, unfortunately I don't take fabric softener, but it's a liquid and I'm not going to mess with it. So, but I mix all of these. They go in my laundry before I put the dirty laundry in, and it is wonderful. So these are not Dollar Tree. These are. But I always forget to show you guys what I mix these with. So there's that. Then we love these things. I keep a bowl of like drink mixes. And so these are actually, I think I found cheaper at the Dollar Tree than in Walmart. So we grab a couple of these every time we go just to keep that stash filled. I got to get a lighter because my lighters keep vanishing. And I use these for my candles. When I'm doing purging, I just get these cheap large trash bags and throw everything away in those. Then I always keep extra toothbrushes in our house for when we have guests, because, you know, everybody knows somebody travels, someone's always forgetting a toothbrush. So I actually have a drawer where I keep a bunch of toothbrushes, you know, so people always don't have to run out and get something. And then, I told you guys this was going to be a short one. The last goodie from Dollar Tree are socks, because I like my cutesy socks. I don't normally get the short ones, but these were cute, so I did. So we have the cute kitty cats. Some of them are fuzzy, some of them aren't. And then the other pair is just some stripe. And these I get just to wear around the house. I don't wear them with shoes, just because I don't. I have different socks that I wear with different shoes. So there's those. And then these are all the guy ones, but I didn't like all the ones that store had. So these are the only 3 pair I got. So I got the Red Hot Chili Peppers, because I love that group. And then we got some lobster, and you hear that, and I think, you know, rock lobster, y'all know, why can't I think of their name? Love Shack. B-52s? No, I can't think of the group's name right now, but the lobster, and then, of course, the flamingos. Granted, it's black, but, you know, I don't care. I always wear cutesy socks to work under my blue jeans. But, yeah. So that's it, guys. That is my Dollar Tree haul. I would say I was fairly, you know, pretty good. I really didn't buy anything that we're not going to use. I didn't get any crafty stuff. I am trying to be really good about not getting extra crafty stuff just to get it because it's cute. Besides that, my sister would come and make me throw it away. Anywho, that's it. My Dollar Tree haul. It might be a few weeks before I do another one, just so y'all are aware. I do have a collective haul I'm going to be sharing, and that is stuff from Amazon, Etsy, and a couple other places. So I'll figure that out when I do the video. And then I think I have another MFT and a Tonic Studios that are going to be coming in the next couple of days. So keep an eye out for that. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. I try to get back to everybody in one form or another. Or, again, shoot me an email, which is down in the description. And, yeah, so y'all have a great day. Love you guys to pieces. As always, happy crafting. Bye-bye.